everyone, welcome to Crafty Hackers. Today we're bringing you tips on how to take the perfect selfie. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Now let's get to those selfie tips. Take your selfie in the morning. In the morning, you'll automatically be more rested, your makeup and hair will be more fresh, and you'll have all day to retake a selfie if you don't like the first one you take. Use the sun as backlighting when you're taking a selfie outside. If you're outside, try to get the sun behind your head for a halo-like glow. Backlighting your selfie can give you a softer glow, so you'll be able to skip out on a filter this time. Hold the cheese. Don't say cheese before your pictures. Borrow this trick from the red carpet. Before you take your selfie, whisper the word prune. This will relax your face and naturally push out your lips, making them look fuller. For a soft smile, try saying the word mocha. Know your angles. Everyone's face is different, so you have to know what angles work best on yours. Make sure you experiment until you find exactly which angle highlights your best features. Photos taken from above are often better, and some people prefer pictures on their good side. For fuller lips in your pictures, try exhaling by blowing a little air out of your mouth. This will help to relax your mouth and make your lips appear to be more plump. Lighting is key. Brighter lighting in the front can hit your face to highlight your best features. Natural lighting is the best. But look for soft, indirect lighting when you have to use artificial light. Make sure your mirror selfies are lit from the front. Light from the side can cast shadows on your face, which makes you look unappealing. Look up toward the camera. This is a super flattering angle that can make your eyes look bigger. Start by tilting your chin down a bit and look up toward the camera and raise your eyebrows just a little bit. For this hack, you might have to hold your phone just a little bit higher up. Turn to the side for a flawless angle. If you're having a hard time finding your angles, try holding your phone to the side of you and turn your face to vary your looks. This is a good way to add a little variety to your selfies. Wear sunglasses. Sunglasses are a great hack if your smize just isn't on point one day, plus they make everyone look instantly cooler. If you're in a dark place, use the back-facing camera for a brighter flash. Or better yet, have a friend hold up the flashlight on their phone to give you the extra lighting you need. Take a lot of pictures. Take at least 10 photos in your selfie session. Having a higher number of photos and varying the pictures in between gives you a bigger number of photos to choose from, so you can find the perfect one. Take a video and screenshot your selfie. Taking a video instead of individual photos will help you to flow more naturally in front of the camera, and you'll have more options to screenshot from. Don't over-edit your picture. Sometimes editing and using a great filter can give that photo the extra oomph it needs, but don't get carried away with your edits. Selfies should look easy and natural. Over-editing detracts from your natural beauty and makes the picture look fake. Hold the phone close to your face. The selfie is all about you, so cut out the background and focus on your features. You can also crop your pictures closer if your hands or your arms are at a funny angle. Moving the frame of the picture also gives you more control. We hope these tips will help you to take the perfect selfie. If you like these tips, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another hack. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.